Hello students, we are going to discuss about the question number 11 of Atoms and Molecules chapter of page number 44. In the exercise, how many problems are there? All those problems are based on the mole concept. You have to find out the number of moles from the mass, or you have to find out the mass from the mole. That type of problems are there. Very simple. Question number 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 also. So I am going to discuss the number 11, which is little bit different than that of the other problem. See here, the question is calculate the number of aluminium ions present in 0.051 gram of the aluminium oxide. So in case of this particular problem, what we do, aluminium oxide is an ionic molecule. I am talking about aluminium oxide, Al2O3. So the ions present in aluminium oxide are aluminium plus 3 and oxide ion minus 2. So these are the ions which combine to form the aluminium oxide molecule, which we have learned by the crossover system also. Valency of aluminium is 3 and valency of oxygen is 2. So if you have to cross over it, when you cross over it, you get the molecule aluminium oxide. Now to do this problem, we are finding out what are the ions present in aluminium oxide. So it will be aluminium plus 2 and oxide minus 2, O minus 2. So for balancing the number of atoms here, what we do, 2 given here, so we are writing 2 before it, and oxide ion 3, so I am writing 3 here. So this is the ionic equation for the aluminium oxide molecule. Now the question is, again I am reading the question, calculate the number of aluminium ions present in 0.051 gram of aluminium oxide. From this one, we can, first of all, we have to find out now the molar mass of aluminium oxide. So what will be the molar mass of aluminium oxide? Molar mass of aluminium oxide. What it will be? Aluminium atomic mass, it is given in your book already, 27. So it will be 27 multiplied by 2 plus oxygen 16 multiplied by 3. So we will get ultimately this value 54, 7 2s are 14, 4 1, 2 2s are 4 5 plus 8 4. So it will be after adding what you will get, 2 4 8 plus 4 12, 2 1 5 9 10, 2102 gram. So this is the molar mass of aluminium oxide. Now from this one, what we get at, so we are not writing anything, means this is 1 mole. So 1 mole aluminium oxide. From 1 mole aluminium oxide, how many aluminium cation we get? 2 moles. 2 moles of aluminium plus 3 we get. So how it is 2 moles? Because we are getting here, after balancing, we are getting here 2. So why I am thinking about the aluminium? Because in our question they have asked that how many aluminium ion will be present in 0.05 gram of aluminium oxide. That's why I am taking out this one. At 1 mole aluminium oxide contains 2 moles of aluminium plus 3 cation. So that means 1 mole aluminium oxide contains 2 into, if it is 1 mole aluminium ion contains 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 ions. Aluminium ions, right? So 1 mole aluminium cation contains 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 numbers of ions. This is the Avogadro number that all of you know. But here it is 2 moles, so I am multiplying it by the 2. So that means 1 mole aluminium oxide contains this much number of aluminium ion, aluminium plus 3 ions. Okay, now come to the next step, that 1 mole aluminium oxide. So we have to bring it to the mass. So 1 mole aluminium oxide equal to molar mass. It is molar mass, 102 gram of molar mass. So 102 gram aluminium oxide equal to 2 into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 aluminium ions. It will be this much aluminium ions. So again I'm coming to the unitary method. So 1 gram aluminium oxide, 1 gram aluminium oxide equal to how much? 2 into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 aluminium ion. 23 aluminium plus 3 ion divided by, we are doing this much divided by this 102. But in how much, in the question, how much we have to find it out? In 0.051 gram. So 0.051 gram aluminium oxide equal to I am finding it out 2 into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 divided by 102 multiplied by this one 0.51. So how to do it? Multiply, you have to do the calculation now for this. So how to do it? 2 into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 102, sorry, multiply, you give a multiply symbol here. This one means 551 by 1000. So 1 2 3, so you have to give here 3 zeros. So from this one, how can you find it out? So it will be 2 times. We have to cut this 2 times. 51 multiplied by 2 equal to 102. So 2 times it will come. So now this 2 you cut. What you will get? 6.022 into, this is 10 to the power 23, sorry. This is 10 to the power 23, 10 to the power 23, and this one is below. So how much it will be? 10 to the power minus 3. It is 10 to the power 23. I am writing 10 to the power 23. It is 10 to the power minus 3 because this 1001 by 1000 is below the part. So it will, when it will go up, it will be minus 3. So how much value? 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 minus 3. So how much it will be? I am bringing to this side. So how much will be the answer? 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 minus 3 equal, it will be 20. So that means this much ions, and ions of aluminium plus 3 ions will be present in this much amount of aluminium oxide. So this is the answer. Hope you have understood. See whether you are understanding or not.